Hello. In the previous video, I made this knife with a hollow bamboo handle where you can store emergency supplies. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check it out. Now I'm going to make a sheath for this knife, which will also have a secret feature. I found a suitable piece of bamboo that the knife fits into perfectly. First, I need to saw off the excess length. I smoothed the edges with sandpaper. Now I'll need some natural leather. I cut a piece of the appropriate size. I apply wax to protect it from moisture. Using a special tool, I mark the stitching line. I mark the holes with a 5mm pitch. I pierce the holes using an awl. Now I need to sew the leather edges together to form a cylinder. To secure the thread, I melt the end with a lighter. I'll be using a saddle stitch. It's very strong and looks aesthetically pleasing. Now I just need to tighten the stitch and secure the other end of the thread. I'll need 2 such cylinders. I slide the first cylinder onto one end of the bamboo all the way. I slide the second cylinder onto the other end halfway. Next, I'll need an aluminum fork. I sawed off all the excess and now I need to shape it with a file. This is what I ended up with. Next, I take a wine cork and cut it in half. I drill a hole halfway through. I trim the excess to reduce the diameter. I smooth it with a file. I pour epoxy resin into the hole. I insert the fork. Once the resin hardens, it will be as hard as stone. Everything is ready. Now it's time to assemble everything together. I placed several matches, a striking strip, and waterproof fire starter in the knife handle. The knife is securely fixed in the sheath with the leather. It doesn't fall out even with vigorous shaking. On the other side, the fork is inserted, which can be oriented in either direction. Thanks to the cork, the fork holds very securely. This is what the knife with the sheath looks like when assembled. Now let's see how it looks in working condition. We take out the knife. We remove the fork and insert it the other way around. This gives us a convenient fork like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss new videos.